Walking into Walmart, 8:30 a.m. It's already hustle bustle. There's some things, but not that much. There's a lot of empty shelves. Oh lordy, lordy. How's it gonna be today? They got bananas. Oh snap, they got bananas, but it's also 8:30 a.m. Come get it while you can. Hurry. They're reloading the breads, but also there is a ton, and I mean a ton, still with empty shelves. Hurry, come get your enriched white sandwich bread. Make peanut butter jelly sandwiches, get you over in case lights are messed up or you lose electricity. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Here's the water section. There's some cases over there, but not much. And milk. No milk. There is some eggs. And they got organic options. You better hurry before it's gone. All right, basing it off the parking lot. It might be a little crazy inside. Let's go check it out. It's not too terrible. But this is the fresh fruits and veggies, so we shall see how everything else will be. Water, plenty of water. It's not too bad here yet. Second Kroger of the day, basing it off of parking. It's probably a madhouse in there still. Let's go see what to expect. Little to no shopping carts. And let's see. Well, there's a lot of variety. Kinda. I see no bananas. No banana, no banana. Oh, no berries. Dang. Limited apple options, but there's still some. But no banana. No banana make you hungry. No banana for you today from here. All right, water section. Let's see. I did hear that they just got a truck, so maybe their trucks are delayed, but there's no cases except for 2 right there so far. Looks like no eggs here. Absolutely none. It's wild. There is some milk here, but very slim pickings. So get you some while you can. Low potatoes. You can see people went crazy up in here. And there's not that much garlic stuff over there. Not that much onions. Let's see what's missing. Okay. What is that? Tomatoes. Guess what's missing? Lordy Lord. All right, my final store for the day. Kroger in Georgetown. It was hard to find parking, so I already know it's gonna be crazy inside. Let's just go see. All right, first sign of madness. No shopping carts. Let's see how this is in here today. Friday. Oh, it's crazy busy in here. But it looks like a lot of produce, so they must have got their truck and refreshed. All right, bread aisle is looking a little better than other stores, but they obviously got their truck in today. So stock up, you can get some still. Those easy Chef Boyardee meals are clearing out. Wonder what exactly. 4 packs, okay. Water's not terrible, you still could get some. Kroger brand water. All the other brands are slim pickings. There's still some here. The line of checkout is not terrible either, but it's also 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so hurry, hurry, get your shopping done. Don't forget about your animals. Make sure they get some food. The milk seems like they got a replenishment. Probably got their truck in on time. Still some varieties, even the healthier options. And they got plenty of eggs. Even the pasture raised options. Get you some. What about all the processed meats? Don't forget to get you some while they're still here. A lot of it is missing.